Today on this video we are going to show you how to remove the cement trashes and also some dirt. You will see here in this tile there are many dirt things and also some cement particles which is fall down long time ago. It's very hard to remove from the normal tile cleaner. So we are using now some product made in Sri Lanka. Also you can find easily in your country also. This is vinegar. This is artificial vinegar. You have coconut vinegar and also you have chemical artificial vinegar. You can use this one. Very easily can remove this dirt. Now you will see here how long we are trying to remove this cement dirt from the tile by scraping and all other things. While you will see you can find some damages also in the tile. So now we are already washed this tile, remove other dirt. You can easily remove by the water, fresh water, and then we apply some little amount of vinegar, this product here where is most cement is remaining. You can keep for a while, let's say sometimes 5 to 10 minutes, or you can just straight away you can just start removing using this kind of material. You will see here now it's easy removing. It's not like the actual tile cleaner. It's not so much hard by using this vinegar. After removing some area here is like this, you can see it's going out very easy. After that, so I use only here this area only for the video, but you have some lot of dirt, you can also use this one for that whole area. You will see in the video this cement dirt and whatever is remaining here very easily can remove. So after it's getting, you will see some clear, and then you can wipe out by wet cloth. Oh, see, this is very good product. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe us. We will see you in next video like this. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.